Namaskar dear students. In this video I am going to discuss question answers of our fifth lesson Maharana Pratapaha. Yes. Please open the textbook and let us discuss exercise part of fifth lesson Maharana Pratapaha. First main is Ekavakyena Samskrita Bhashaya Uttaram Likhata. One line answer we have to write it in Samskrita. First question is Rana Pratapaha Kasmin Grame Ajayata. Meaning of the question is where was Rana Pratapa born? Answer is Maharana Pratapaha Kumbala Grame Ajayata. Second question is Rana Pratapasya Pita Kaha. Meaning of the question is who is father of Maharana Pratapa? Answer is Rana Pratapasya Pita Dvitiya Udaya Simha. Third question is Rana Pratapasya Ashwasya Namakim. What was the name of horse of Rana Pratap? Answer is Maharana Pratapasya Ashwasya Nama Chetakaha. Fourth question is Rana Pratapasya Purvajanam Amatyaha Kaha. Who was minister earlier in the court of Rana Pratapa's ancestors? Answer is Rana Pratapasya Purvajanam Amatyaha Bhama Shahaha. Fifth question is Balikayaha Hastat Rotikam Akrishya Kaha Adavat. Meaning of the question is who snatched the roti from the hand of girl and ran? Answer is Balikayaha Hastat Rotikam Akrishya Aranya Marjalaha Adhavat. Second main Dvitrehi Vakyehi Samskrita Bhashaya Angla Bhashaya Kannada Bhashaya Va Uttaram Likhata. 2 or 3 line answers. We can write the answers either in Sanskrita or in English or also in Kannada. First question is Rana Pratapasya Pratijna Ka. Meaning of the question is what was the oath taken by Rana Pratap? Answer is the vow taken by Rana Pratapa is mentioned in the lesson Maharana Pratapaha. Rana Pratapa called for a meeting of dignitaries. He swore before them that he would not consume food in gold or silver vessels, not sleep on the bed, and not live in the palace until he retrieves all the lost regions. Second question is Billaha Rana Pratapam Katham Sahayam Akurvan. Meaning of the question is how did Billas help Maharana Pratapa? Answer is the tribal group called Billas helped Rana Pratapa. This scene has come in the lesson Maharana Pratapaha. Billas protected the Rajput women and children by keeping them safely in the wells dug for the purpose of mining. In the battlefield at Haldighat, the warriors not only assisted but also revealed the secrets of enemies. Third question in this category is Bharata Sarvakaraha Rana Pratapaya Katham Gauravam Asuchayat. How did Government of India pay its respect for Maharana Pratapa? Answer is Government of India has released a coin with Rana Pratapa's picture to remember him, and also it has published postal stamp in his memory. There is a statue of Rana Pratapa riding his horse Chetak in front of Indian Parliament. Next main is Manjushataha Suktam Padam Chitva Riktasthanam Pureta. Using the words which are given in bracket, we have to fill the blanks. Rana Pratapaha Ganyanam Sabam Akaritavan. Vairinam Sainyam Samudropam Asit. Katina Hridayasya Rana Pratapasya Manaha Adravat. Kashta Paramparayaha Api Kachana Seema Bhavit. नेक्स्ट मेन इज पाठनाम उल्लिख्य कः कं प्रति अवदत् संस्कृत भाषया उत्तरं लिखत. We have to mention lesson name and we have to tell who told the line to whom. Yes, all these are only two characters are there in this lesson. Very easily we can remember. Let us see. First question is Mama haste prabhutam dhanam vidyate. I have lot of money in my hand. This dialogue was told by Bama Shaha to Rana Pratapa. That's why answer is idam vakyam Maharana Pratapah iti patat swikritam. Bama Shaha Rana Pratapam prati avadat. Next question is Naita dhanam swikartum ichchami. I don't want to receive your money. So, idam vakyam Maharana Pratapah iti patat swikritam. Rana Pratapah Bhama Shaham prati avadat. This dialogue was told by Rana Pratapa to Bhama Shaha. Next question is Kutrapi gatva dhanam sangrahishyami. I will go somewhere and earn money. This dialogue was told by Maharana Pratapa to Bhama Shaha. Answer is idam vakyam Maharana Pratapah iti patat swikritam. Rana Pratapah Bhama Shaham prati avadat. Next question is Mama Jivanam Sarthakam Bhavet. My life will be meaningful. This dialogue was told by Bhama Shaha to Rana Pratapa. So answer is idam vakyam Maharana Pratapah iti patat swikritam. Bhama Shaha Rana Pratapam prati avadat. Next main दशवाक्ये हि संस्कृत भाषया आंग्ल भाषया कन्नड़ भाषया वा उत्तरं लिखत. 10 line answers. We can write the answers either in Sanskrit or in English, or also you can write it in Kannada. First question is Maharana Pratapena Anubhuta Kashta Parampara. Meaning of the question is the difficulties faced by Maharana Pratap. According to the lesson, Maharana Pratap struggled a lot from the moment when he was crowned, because all the major places were hand stripped and he dreamt to retrieve all those places. That's why he took the oath and he left the palace, and along with a few his followers and family members he went to forest. In forest, in many way he struggled. Anytime attacks used to happen, and especially lack of foods. That's why they struggled a lot. All the points we have to mention here, and without army he had to fight. This point also you have to mention in this answer. Next question here is Rotika Prasangaha, the incident of roti. While Rana Pratapa along with his family members struggling in forest, they had major problem of food because they would not get food properly. That's why Maharana Pratapa, he had to face that difficulties. And once Maharana Pratapa's wife made few rotis from the seeds of forest haze, and they were very less. She distributed, and she also gave the small pieces of rotis to his daughter, and she was very hungry. She started to eat. She had to tell her daughter to not to eat fully the rotis because she was unaware whether next day food is available or not. And meanwhile, when she was eating, a wild cat came and snatched the roti, and the girl started to cry. So like this, such a pity situation Rana Pratapa had to see in the forest. So this is the Rotika Prasanga. You have to very well write in examination. I think this is very easy to remember Antarkotini. Next question is Bhama Shahasya Rajabhaktihi. So we have to write the devotion of Bhama Shaha towards his nation. So Bhama Shaha was a very old man. He was minister in the court of Rana Pratapa's ancestors, and he came and met Rana Pratapa in forest when financially Rana Pratapa was struggling. And Rana Pratapa wanted to build army, and knowing this only, Bhama Shaha had come there because he had earned a lot of money and preserved for the purpose of his nation. Bhama Shaha was willing to give money to Rana Pratap, but Maharana Pratapa denied Bhama Shaha to give money because he was idol of self-respect. He told that I will go somewhere and earn money. I don't want your money. But Rana Pratapa finally was successful to convey Rana Pratap that if you take this money, my life will be meaningful because this money is not others. This money I have preserved for the purpose of nation. So finally Rana Pratapa was convinced and he received money. Using the money, Rana Pratapa could maintain 25,000 soldiers for 12 years. And this was the great amount given by Bhama Shaha. This is the great devotion shown here in the lesson. The great devotion of Bhama Shaha towards his nation. Next main coming is Rekankitani Padani Ashritya Prashna Nirmanam Kuruta. Using underlined word, we have to frame question line. Mewad iti sthalam Rajasthane prasiddham asit. Rajasthane, underlined word, place. That's why Kutra. That's why answer is Mewad iti sthalam Kutra prasiddham asit. In the end, put question mark. Second question is Udayasimhaha Pratapi Raja Asit. Udayasimhaha. So, underlined word is Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Kaha Pratapi Raja Asit. Third question is Vaideshikaha Vanijjartam Agachanti Sma. Foreign people, they used to come for the purpose of business. Vanijjartam is the underlined word. That's why answer is Vaideshikaha Kimartham Agachanti Sma. Last main Samyojetam as the following. Javantabai Pratapasya Mata Billaha Yodharaha Akbar Badshah Dillishwaraha Sisidia Rana Hamira. I hope you practiced all the question answers very well. This video was very useful to practice fifth lesson. Yes, kindly like and share this video, and I will meet you soon with my next video. Until then, I would like to see you all. Have a nice day and Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu.